The moment you search anything, right on the top, either you see a banner or either you see a video. That is a sponsored brand ad, which is in short abbreviation form, that is SB, which is sponsored brand ads. Now, before coming to SP only, what is the speciality of sponsored brand ads? Sponsored brand ads gives you an option to explain more things about your product to the customer right on the search page. How? Either you are able to do through a banner or either you are able to do through a video. Now with a banner, you have the option to add up to 5 banners in the single banner brand ad. Second, you have the option to add a video from 6 to 45 seconds. That is again the option of the video. Imagine that right on the search page, you only have the option to use the first image in the white background. Not much can be done. But with a banner, with 5 lifestyle banners which you can use, you can add one maybe related to ingredient, you can add one related to features, you can add one related to benefits, you can add human element maybe of adults and then a human element of child. So you have mentioned all the use cases on all of your product to your customers right on the search page. Second could be a video where I think you can explain product explainer video, an influencer video, an unboxing video, a customer testimony video. So you are just explaining a lot more about your products to the customers right on the search page. What does this do? This increases your CTR rapidly. So the average CTR for sponsored brand ad, irrespective of whether that's a banner or whether that's a video, is mostly around 1.5%. Whereas for SP, that varies somewhere between 0.6 to 0.8%. You can expect a minimum CTR of 2. For brand, for video, maybe you can expect a CTR of maybe 2 to 3% as well. But again, since this is brand awareness ad more rather than only ROAS, it's a mix of that. If your product and all has that huge amount of a good amount of quality and has that trust appeal right after looking at your listing, then you can expect a good ROAS as well. So that is the second thing. Now this is again sponsored brand ad. This is again a sponsored brand video ad. This is also although SP, I don't want to confuse you. This is again a video ad. This is again a sponsored brand banner ad used only with the video. For example, if you click this, you'll land onto the brand store. This is a brand store banner ad. Now a question might come in between, Sunny, whether to land the customers to the brand store or to the PDP page. My opinion will be to the PDP page, because I'm of that mentality that customers se zyada mehnat nahi karani. You have to make them take their decision as quickly as possible. But sometimes you can also put that a budget of 5 to 10% to brand awareness video. You're actually telling your customers that, hey, please land to my brand store and check my entire range. But you have to ensure that you're not expecting ROAS from that campaign, because you are just exposing your entire portfolio to your customers who were not aware, or maybe they were customers of one of your products. So that is one thing. This is about sponsored brand. Now these are all SP ads, sponsored product ads, where you cannot add any creative asset. Koi option nahi hai. You just need to add keywords, which agency you want to target, and the other stuff which I will discuss in the subsequent section as well. No option of creative assets, no option of a video, banner, nothing. That's again a placement ad. That is again a sponsored product ad.